Hello everyone. Thank you for joining us on our channel. In this video, we're going to provide you with a comprehensive step-by-step guide on effectively employing Python along with the PDF.co web API to easily rotate pages within PDF documents. We'll address all the fundamental aspects, starting from the initial setup of the required environment, all the way to executing API requests. This will enable you to smoothly carry out PDF page rotations within your Python projects. The advantage of utilizing PDF.co PDF rotate pages functionality is its commitment to a secure service that operates entirely on the client side through your web browser. For a more in-depth comprehension, we invite you to explore our comprehensive tutorial provided in the description box below. Feel free to visit PDF.co for additional information. We will use this sample PDF document that contains multiple pages, and will demonstrate how to rotate specific pages to the desired angle. Additionally, you have the flexibility to rotate all pages if that suits your preference or meets your specific requirements. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we need to install the requests module, which is commonly used for managing packages in Python. To install the requests module, open your command line and enter the following command, python mpip install requests, and press the enter key to execute the command. Once you have installed the requests module, open your preferred Python editor, such as Visual Studio Code, or any other editor of your choice. Next, add the Python sample code to your editor. You can access the Python sample code by visiting the link in the description box below. Let's proceed with setting up the Python code. In the code, locate line 6 and add your API key. You can obtain the API key from your PDF.co dashboard. Move to line 13 in the code and provide the direct URL of your source PDF file. If you are using a file instead of a URL, you can use the PDF.co file storage to store your files and convert them into a URL specifically for use in PDF.co processing. Next, navigate to line 16 and input the angle value by which you want to rotate the PDF pages. Then go to line 19 and add the list of specific pages you wish to rotate. Alternatively, you can rotate all pages in the PDF document depending on your specific requirements. Lastly, enter the desired output file name to save the rotated PDF. After setting up the code and making any necessary changes, be sure to save the file. Now click the Run button to start executing the program. The program runs successfully and returns the PDF file output. Let's check the program folder path to view the output. Here is the PDF document containing the rotated pages as per the specified angle and page selection. For a deeper understanding of PDF.co and its functionalities, take a look at the tutorials accessible on our website. You can also visit our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and activate the notification bell icon so you can stay updated regarding our most recent video releases. Thank you for watching.